Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Knowledge Management System and Development, which comes under the third module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the challenges in developing knowledge management system. Knowledge is the creation of interaction between people, processes and technology. While technology is an enabler, people and processes are the drivers. Their interaction is not natural and straight. There are a number of challenges in developing knowledge management system. The first challenge is the organization culture which has emerged over time. People are accustomed to working in a particular fashion, more information driven and less dependent on technology driven decision support systems. The organization culture is unable to keep pace with the changing dynamics of business. The realization of knowledge as a power to face competition is not immediate. Changing the mindset of key people who are accustomed to hoarding knowledge is a difficult task. However, this is not impossible to achieve if proper and adequate incentives are offered to people. The fear of challenge to their position and power needs to be handled effectively by the recognition and a reward system. The second challenge is creating faith in the paradigm shift from information to knowledge driven processes. The lack of faith in knowledge as a power poses serious problems which are tougher when knowledge is embedded in management processes and systems. This creates a power vacuum and people start showing lack of faith in the knowledge and knowledge driven systems. They challenge knowledge itself. The solution to this problem lies in creating a strong justification in knowledge which is generated out of business case. This is more an implementation issue of tackling the organization culture, people mindset and lack of confidence in technology. The third challenge is ease of access to knowledge and its usage. The challenge is about how knowledge management system manages key processes, namely store, share, transfer and access to knowledge. The decision makers, knowledge workers tend to move away from knowledge management system if access to key information and knowledge is time consuming. Further, knowledge management system is silent on how knowledge should be used. The factor of faith discussed here becomes dominating. It is important knowledge management system design and architecture that address these issues effectively. Knowledge management system must ultimately demonstrate the relation between knowledge, problem, usage and experience. Revitalization of knowledge is a core area of knowledge management system. This is a continuous process. The fourth challenge is knowledge management system implementation. Its implementation without the top management recognizing it as key function like finance or manufacturing is destined to fail. Secondly, the contributors to knowledge enrichment must be committed to knowledge management system. Further, implementation without solving people issues is bound to face tremendous problems. Knowledge management system today is a technology enabled system, but essentially it is a people driven system. Successful implementation begins winning people's mandate and results in awareness and expertise in technology. In this lecture, we have discussed the challenges in developing knowledge management system.